The settings on our infrared camcorders sometimes get accidentally changed, so that they don't properly display images in short wavelength infrared. This video is a tutorial on how to restore the cameras to their proper settings. If a few of our students on each team know how to fix the problem, our teams will always be able to quickly restore the cameras if their settings get messed up. The problem currently happens if someone presses or bumps the big, round, chrome-colored button on the back of the cameras. We can tell if the camera settings have been changed in this way if either of these things happen. A. The screen looks black or very dark when it should be displaying short wavelength infrared light. Or B. If infrared light does display, but the little infrared flashlight on the front of the camera has been turned on. We do not want that flashlight to be on. It messes up our images and it drains the camera battery too fast. Here are a few ways to tell if the flashlight has been turned on. You can see that it is on when one camera looks at another. Notice here how the flashlight is on. You can look in a mirror and see that your camera's flashlight is on. Or you can even hold up your hand to the camera and notice that the flashlight is lighting your hand up. How to restore the camera to its proper settings. First, turn the rotating selector switch to Set. We usually keep tape running across this switch to keep it from being turned accidentally. Once in Set mode, you should see this on the LCD screen. If so, press Setup on the screen. Now, this screen should appear. Among the choices, press the IR button. This screen should now appear. You'll want to press the On button until it is the On button, that is the one that is red. That's the fix to the settings we want. You can now turn the round selector switch so that it is once again in the middle. It is good to put tape back over the selector switch. Without tape, it is very easy for the switch to turn to one side or the other. We want it in the middle position. It is also good that there is tape over the big round button in the middle of the back of the camera to discourage that button from being pressed. The camera should now be working fine again. By the spring of 2022, we will be able to modify the cameras so that this will no longer be a problem. Once modified, it will be very easy for all the students to put the cameras back in short wavelength infrared mode. Soon, the infrared flashlights will be removed altogether from our cameras. It won't be necessary anymore to turn the little IR flashlights off. Happily, our future infrared camcorders will have all their flashlights completely removed, so they won't have this problem. It won't be necessary anymore to go into the menu just to shut off the flashlights. Thank you for getting to know how to fix this common problem with our current short wavelength infrared cameras.